I am Micah Brown with Micah Brown Media. This is Leonard Drina from Lenny J.
Media.
I want to make sure I got that right.
Just switched from photography, that's why.
Let me start over. Wait for the vacuum to stop.
It's a good idea.
I like the idea about putting in some cinematic music, though.
Yeah.
You know, the videos where the music is way too epic for what's actually happening.
Yeah. So you should like start it off, and I can just be like, cue the cinematic music.
Dun, 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 dun. You know, it's like that
Yeah.
B-roll we shot the other day, but like with the really epic, like Inception style music.
Yeah.
Where it's like, why are we doing this?
Exactly. That was perfect. You can make a song out of that. You just kind of base the whole track around that noise. Hide it from the video.
The vacuum?
Yeah.
It's a good vacuum. It's a Makita. You know, like the men's power tools?
Yeah.
Yeah, they make a vacuum.
That's cool.
It's like the best, like, it's like a dust buster. You know, like, I don't know if your parents ever had, like, the beige one you hang on the wall.
Mm-mm.
Anyway, they're, like, complete trash.
Okay.
Like, everyone had one, but they were just total trash.
Nice.
I'm Micah with Micah Brown Media. This is Leonard Drina with Lenny J. Media, and that's a really loud vacuum.
We'll be right back after these messages.